Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 9 of learning Chinese from Absolute Zero. Today again we will continue to learn a few more essential characters, and again by the end of the lesson you will see a noticeable difference in your Chinese. Very well, let's take a look at the first character of today's lesson. Alright, it's a very easy character. 1, 2, 3. We saw the square again. We've seen it in multiple places and we will be seeing it again and again. This is extremely important. And then 1, 2. This is jiào. 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 It's a fourth tone. Jiào. Jiào means to be called. For example, 我叫. I am called, and then the name. In Chinese, there are many ways to say my name is, but this is one of the simplest and easiest ones. 我叫. For example, your name is Tom. 我叫 Tom. Of course, they will give you a Chinese name, but if you don't have a Chinese name, you can just say your English name. 我叫 Tom or 我叫 Iman. Okay, 我叫, I am called. 我叫. Let's write it a few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This just looks like a number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy character. And let's learn the most important use of this character. 你叫什么? 你 you 叫 to be called. 什么 what? What are you called, or what is your name? 你叫什么? 你叫什么? Very, very useful and very easy to learn. Very well, now you can ask for other people's names, and also you can say my name is this in Chinese. Let's take a look at the next character. Very well, let's write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an easy character. This one is 有 It's a third tone. 有 Say it out loud. 有 means to have. Okay, for example, 我有车 I have a car. 我有家 I have a house or I have a home. You can also say 你有车吗 Do you have a car? 你有家吗 Do you have a house? It's very useful and very easy to use. Just say 我有 I have, and then the thing that you want to say. Now to say I don't have, we need to learn another character. Let's take a look at it. Very well, let's write it here. 1, 2, 3. This one's a bit longer. 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is E. May means not. Now if you say 没有 means not have. For example, 我没有 I don't have. 我没有车 I don't have a car. 我没有家 I don't have a house. Or, I don't know, 我没有手 I don't have hands. For example, someone asks you to help them carry something, you say 我没有手, or like, my hands are taken, I don't have hands. This character is the same in both simplified and traditional, but this one is mostly the same except one tiny difference. This one is the simplified. The traditional one is 1, 2, 3. All of it is the same except this one. Instead of this line going outward, this goes inward. I only noticed it recently, so I thought they were the same, but no. There's a very slight difference. This is a traditional, this is a simplified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then okay, 没有. If you have a picture of something that you want, you can go to a shop and say 你有这个吗? Do you have this? Or do you have this one? If they have it, the owner will say 有. If they don't have it, they will say 没有. Okay? 有 to have, 没有 not have. Alright, let's take a look at the next character. Very well, let's write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This kind of looks like the ren, but the head is a little bit longer. This is liǎng, liǎng. Liǎng means two. It's used when we want to count things. For example, 2 years, 2 people, 2 cars. For example, 一个 means one. You cannot say 二个. We have to say 两个, two. And 三个, 一个,两个,三个. Okay? If you want to say 2 people, we have to say 两个人, 两个人. Okay? 2 people. We cannot say 二个人. No, 两个人. So let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This character is slightly different in the traditional. It's written like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? One line. So it cuts 2 parts. And then 3 like this. Okay? They still resemble each other a lot, but the traditional one has a few more strokes and is slightly different. So let's write again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the traditional, and this is a simplified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So from now on, we will be using the simplified version. For now, just learn this one. 两个人. 两个人 means 2 people. 一个人 1 person. 两个人 2 people. 三个人. Okay? You cannot say 二个人. 一个人, 两个人, 三个人. Let's take a look at the next character. Very well, let's write the character. It's not that difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This one is li, li, li. Li means inside. For example, 家里 inside the house. 车里 inside the car. Okay? 手里 inside the hand. It's very, very useful and very easy to use. Li, li. Now the traditional one is slightly different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this. So this is a traditional one. It has this part, this extra part, where you don't have it in the simplified. So in simplified, they just took this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Li, li, li. Now we can say 这里. 这里 means here. 那里 means there. 这里，那里。我要去那里. I want to go there. 这里有两个人. 这里有两个人. What does it mean? 这里 here 有 there are or have 两个人 2 people. So there are 2 people here. 这里有两个人. 那里有三个人. There are 3 people there. There are 2 people here. Or you can say 这里没有人. 这里没有人. There are no people here. 那里有三个人. 这里没有人. We will come back to this li after we learn 1 or 2 more characters. Let's take a look at the next character. Very well, let's write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 在, 在, okay? 在. This is like 字, 在. 在 means at. For example, in Chinese, to say I am at home, we say 我在家里. 我在家里. I am 在 at inside the house. 我在家里. Memorize this sentence. 我在家里. I am inside the house. Or when you call your friend, you can ask them if they are at home. 你在家里吗? 你在家里吗? Are you at home? 你在家里吗? If your friend is at home, he can say 我在家里. Okay? 你在家里吗? 我在家里. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 在. You write it as many times as you need until you master the character. Now the next character is very easy to learn because it looks and sounds very familiar. Let's take a look at it. Very well, you should be able to write this character 1, 2, 3, right? The square. And then we have learned this one. You remember this one? It was na, meaning there. But with this one, it becomes na, third tone, na. So again, we use this part for the sound and this part for the meaning. This character, if we use it with li, it becomes nali. Nali means where. 你在哪里? Where are you at? 你在哪里? Or 你去哪里? Where are you going? 你去哪里? Very, very useful. Let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay. Na li means where. If we add the li, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Na li, where? Or you ask your friend, where are you? 你在哪里? Your friend can say, 我在家里. 我在家里, I am at home. We only have 2 more characters to learn in this lesson. Let's take a look at the first one. Very well, it's quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We studied this one, we said this one is ye, but together it becomes ta. Ta means he or she. But if you want to specifically say she, the sound is the same, but instead of this one, we use this one. Okay, still the same. Ta. So in speech, when you hear ta, it's not clear if it's he or she. But in writing, if you want to specifically say it's she, use this one. But this can also be used for both male and female. Ta. For example, 他是男生, he is a man. 她是女生, she is a woman. Or 他要回家, he wants or she wants to go home. How to say where is he or where is she? 他在哪里? 他在哪里? Where is he or where is she? 他在哪里? 他在哪里? It's a very easy and straightforward character. 他, just like 我, me, you, him, and her. Very well, let's take a look at the last character of today's lesson. Alright, let's write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of it is one motion. This one is man. It's neutral, doesn't have a tone. Man. Now we can use this one to turn 我 into 我们, I into we. It will just make the pronoun plural. 我们, 你们, you like a plural, 他们, he or she, and they. So it simply makes the pronoun into a plural form. This is the simplified version. Let's take a look at the traditional one. This part is the same, but this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, This is the traditional one. This is the simplified one. Okay. You can see we have a lot more strokes. 们 Now we can say 我们要回家. We want to go back home. 你们要吃什么? What do you want to eat? Like asking a few people. Alright, make sure you learn all the characters that we studied in today's lesson. Write them multiple times until you feel very confident, and then you can remember them very well. And also make sure you know how to use the words and the sentences. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.